name is Jonathan Moore. With USAA, and I've been with USAA for about 12 years now.
We've been working with Contractor Connection for about 9 years now.
So it's a great program for us, and we've been doing it almost 5 years now. What I like about it is it gives people someone they can go to, that they can have some assurance that they're going to do a good job. I love that the contractors are vetted, they're insured, there's a background check, and most of all, there's a warranty.
Our customers expect a contractor program. They look to us for guidance for vetted contractors, those that we trust. So whenever we can provide that to them, it's a big win.
Well, we went through a whole RFP process. We actually tried some pilot programs ourselves. Contractor Connection really stood out as the best in the industry.
From the USAA perspective, it's absolutely that quick estimate that comes in. It's an accurate estimate, so we're paying what we owe to the member, right? And we get them back to that pre-loss condition. And from the member's perspective, it's that 5-year workmanship guarantee. It's that vetted contractor that comes through, and knowing that work's going to be completed to their satisfaction, having those proper controls in place to make sure it gets done.
The satisfaction is pretty high. I think it just makes it fewer steps for them. It makes it easier because it's less work for them to do. So the folks we hear from are happy that they've got somebody who can move things along faster.
Should there be a major event, we're going to max out any local contractor that would be in the area. Contractor Connection is able to reach out to the network, see if there's other areas of the country that may be slow that could back up the network that we have. It's not a resource that we'd be able to locate any other way.
When we have a weather event, then we can count on Contractor Connection at bringing in more contractors and contacting us directly to find out where we have a need. So they definitely help load up, if you will, more contractors when we have a storm event.
I really think the value is the customer experience. People expect much more from their homeowners insurance now than they did before, and I think this program is a must-have.
They've been very responsive, to customer needs. We haven't been shy about what we need and what we want. We've been very tough on them, and they've accepted that feedback very well and implemented a lot of changes. So I'm excited to see where we're going to be in the next few years as we continue to give that feedback, and they also give us feedback as well. Right, them and the network. It's good to hear from the contractors as well, see what they see.
I think by Contractor Connection providing us with the right contractor for the insured's needs, that's really the beginning of providing the best customer experience we can for our insured.